If you want to record your iPad screen, whether it's for tutorial, gameplay, or just to share something with a friend, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Hey everyone, this is Abdul. Welcome back to another video. First, you need to make sure that the screen recording is added to your control center. Swipe down from top right corner. This will bring the control center. Now look for screen recording. If you don't see it in the included controls, long press in the empty space and this will give you an option to add controls at the bottom. Press add control and add screen recording. Now let's start recording your screen. Again, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad to open the control center. You'll see the screen recording button. It looks like a solid circle inside another circle. Tap on it once, you will see a 3-second countdown, and then your screen recording will start. To stop the recording, you can either tap the red status bar at the top of your screen and then tap stop, or go back to control center and tap the screen recording button again. If you want to record your voice as well, press and hold the screen recording button, then tap on the microphone icon to turn it on. Now when you start recording, it will capture your voice too. Your recording will automatically be saved in the Photos app. From there you can watch it, edit it, or share it with anyone. If this helped, drop a like as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.